Hello YouTube community, this is Sammy from California with an update on the 66 Fairlane 427. I got the interior completed and the motor mounted. I got the tires on. So see if we can bring this around. Let's see, there's a motor. Bring the interior in there. Got the individual brake pedal and clutch and brake pedals and gas pedal. They kind of hang on the dash instead of molded into the plastic. Tried to replicate what it looked like inside. Had the wood trim there. Had some chrome detail on the dash. Got the wheels. Got the hubcaps on. In fact, I just glued them in, so I gotta be careful there. And here's the underside. Yep, there goes one of the wheels. That's it. And I'll put that wheel on in a while. Haven't glued them on. I thought they might stay on without gluing, but apparently they don't. So anyways, that's it. Hope you like it, and thank you for watching, and everybody have a good day.